ACE Open. AC Open is a contemporary visual art organization based in Adelaide, South Australia, established in 2017 after the Contemporary Art Centre of South Australia and the Australian Experimental Art Foundation AEAF were merged, creating a new organization. History. The Australian Experimental Art Foundation was created in 1974 by a breakaway group of CAXA members with the intention of focusing on more radical, multidisciplinary and performance work. These artists and theorists wanted to promote the idea of art as radical and only incidentally aesthetic, and encourage new approaches to creating art. Its stated mission was to assist, promote and develop through production, exhibition, distribution, and the encouragement of debate, art and art practices that are analytical, critical, and experimental, which challenge established thinking and expand cultural discourse. Its exhibitions displayed the work of both Australian and international experimental and performance artists. In 1992, the repurposed factory building, which became the Lion Arts Centre, included a purpose-built gallery, artist studios, offices, and the Dark Horsey bookshop. The AEAF ran a residency program which supported several leading South Australian artists. AEAF was mainly funded by the federal government through the Australia Council and the Government of South Australia through Arts SA. From August 2016, the Contemporary Art Centre of South Australia CAXA started talks to merge with AEAF after 2 rounds of severe funding cuts to the Australia Council in the federal government budgets of 2014/15 and 20. Arts SA provided funding for the 2 organizations to cover operational costs for 2017, which enabled planning for the merger, which was named AC Open. After the merger had been decided, the Australia Council provided further funding to AC Open to help with its setup costs. The new gallery opened its inaugural exhibition, Black Flag, featuring the work of South Australian painter Christian Locke, on 15 March 2017. Description. The organization is located in the Lion Arts Centre, the former location of the AEAF in the West End of North Terrace, in an area specifically designed for artistic use, including a gallery, office space, and artist studios. It also incorporates a free space, formerly the Dark Horsey bookshop, which can be used for events and other purposes, and includes the former Feast Festival rooms across the laneway. It presents an annual program of free exhibitions by South Australian, and international artists, and hosts events including artist talks, workshops, celebrations, and screenings. AC Open's vision is to transform, expand, create, and understand our world through contemporary art. Its mission is AC Open provides space for artists and audiences to champion creativity, forge connection, and break new ground in contemporary art. AC Open is a member of Contemporary Art Organizations of Australia (CAO), formerly CAO, a network of public, independent, non-collecting contemporary art organizations from around Australia that serves as an advocacy body for Australian people. Its inaugural CEO was Liz Noel, former CEO of CAXA. Noel was appointed director of the Brisbane Institute of Modern Art in March 2019. As of March 2021, the artistic director is Patrice Sharkey and executive director is Louise Dunn, who previously led Nexus Arts. Rainer Josephs is chair of the board, which includes artist James Darling, curator Lee Robb, and writer and museum curator Jared Thomas.